Hi, how are you? Today we're going to write the handwriting style for the bigger letters. Let's start from the A here. Okay, so this is going to be the A. Then write down the B here. This is B. Then write down for C here. This is going to be the C. Then write down the D here, next one. So these are the something like very nice looking letters, A, B, C, D. Now we are going to write E here. Next one is going to be F. And Z, its special types. H. First you can draw the left wing, then starting up here, rolling up here, and finishing here. H. Next comes I. Alright, then J, little bit similar, you can see with the I, but alright, I, J, then you can write the K. I, J, K. Now L. Then comes M. And N. O. P. Here comes Q. Okay. R is going to be like this. Okay, first draw something like this one, then it's going to roll up here and like this. Q, R, S. T. U. U is going to be here. V. W. And X, little bit curve here. Another one you can put here. Then put the Y. And finally Z or Z is like to be this one. All right, so you can see the whole applications, all the handwritings of the bigger one. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.